How to report a Discord server. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and here you can see your uh, server. But the first thing you have to do is you have to click on your profile icon, the Discord icon in the bottom right corner, and then here you have to scroll down, and in the app settings tab you can see the behavior. Click on the behavior, and here you can see the developer mode. So you have to turn on the developer mode by clicking on the toggle button, and now developer mode is enabled. Now what you have to do is you have to go back to your screen, and then you have to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and here you can see all these options. But you have to go to the server and then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the server, and here you have to scroll down, swipe up, and here you can see the option copy ID in the most bottom. Click on the copy ID and now copy to clipboard. So it means your ID is copied to the clipboard. Then what you can do is you can open your Chrome browser or any of the browser, and then you can search for the discord.gd slash request. So you have to tap this discord.gd/request, and then click on the submit a request first link, and here you can come to this page. Now what you have to do is you can see the what we help you with you. So you have to click on this, and you can search. Now here you have to choose the trust and safety, and after choosing the trust and safety, here you have to type your email address in the email address box, and after typing your email address, here you have to type the how can we help. In the how can we help box, you have to choose the region for which you are reporting the server. So you can choose any of the region that you want, and let's say I choose the report a spam. And then what you can do is what will you like to report. So you can choose here a spam from a user or bot. So you can choose the region, self-porting server is promoting or encouraging a spam. You can also choose it, and after that in the message link, so that's it. And here in the subject box you have to write your subject for technical support or anything. Let's see, I tap on the for technical support, and then in the description, what you can do is you can simply paste your server ID by long holding and then click on the paste, and here you can see this is my server ID. And in the attachments you can add file by clicking on the add file here button, and you can add file by choosing the clicking on the file, and then you can choose any of the files that you want to add. And after this you can click on the submit, and you can see that there is and you have to fill your email address, and after filling your email address, then it will be submitted. So that's basically it, that how you can submit a report Discord servers. You can also fill in the message link here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.